Bruce here. Today we're making guacamole, and we're in a hurry. Thunderstorms are moving in quick. I could have gone out here earlier when the sun was shining, but it's 90 degrees. Anyway, here's our window. Storm's coming. Avocados ripe. Let's get busy. You've seen enough of this face? Yeah, okay. Let's concentrate on our work. Down you go. Ah, there we go. Good enough? Everybody see everything? Good. Alright, guacamole. Key, of course, ripe avocados. These ones are a little bit overripe. I got to get them going now. So get into that fruit. Yeah, it's a little overdone. Close enough for video work. Yeah, it's overdone. Woohoo. Give me a spoon. Okay, so get your avocado out. Avocado out. Now this will be more creamy because, as you know, it's way overripe. But it'll have good flavor. So now, well, we don't have to really do much of anything. This stuff is ready. Okay. Now we're going to mash this and add our lime juice to it really quick so it doesn't oxidize, though it's pretty well oxidized. Here's our fresh lime juice. Seeds removed. Alright. And now, I need more rags. We need a couple tablespoons of red onion. You don't have red onion? Don't worry about it. We'll get over it. Now you can make it about an 1/8 by 1/8, somewhere in there. Kind of similar to an Italian campanada. Hey, che sta succede? Cool. What'd I say? 2 tablespoons? Oh, he's pretty close. Don't look, Gordon Ramsay. Don't look. It's not your perfect dice. It's freeform. Don't worry about it. 1, 2. Good. I'll save this for my pickled stuff. 2 cloves of garlic. Oh! Oh! It doesn't have to be super fine. Just dice it up. There you go. Fantastic. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're using pink Himalayan. Aren't we living healthy? And now we're going to need a couple. Ah, shit's rotten. Good enough, good enough. And a couple tablespoons of cilantro. You can put more if you want. No big whoop. We'll kind of go by the numbers for this recipe. There we go. 2 tablespoons. Cilantro, coriander. Alright. And now, 1 diced tomato. Recommended you seed it. Seed or de-seed. And dice it. Ooh. This came from Tennessee, Granger County. courtesy of UGO, where the avocados were on sale. Hear that thunder in the background? Now this is the part where I hurry up fast and cut myself. No! Alright. We'll partially de-seed this, because we just kind of want the fleshy flesh, not the seedy seed for those with diverticulitis. Alright. Good. Alright. Seedy. Man, I needed a beach towel, not just a paper towel. Oh, I love this. Guacamole. Summertime, summertime, summertime. Alright. Get those seeds out of here. Slicey dicey. Funky and chunky. Oh yeah. Oh, that smells good. This is a ripe mayor. It's ripe mayor. Some. Alright. Wow. Alright, let's mix this sludge up. Does your knife sing? Alright. Mix her up. Oh yeah. Now we're going to let this get used to each other. I'm not going to say married. Ah, dirty word. Married. We'll let it get engaged with one another. And actually, I could have used a little bit more avocado. But I'm not going to run to the store and get back to a thunderstorm. So we mixed. Let that get used to it. Now once again, if these were fresher avocados, we wouldn't have that darkening. Oh! Damn. Spot on. Oh. Gordon Ramsay. Eat your heart out. Alright, that worked. Now, I'm going to put this into the fridge once again, let it get engaged and used to each other. Here's a little trick. Yeah, I know all you PFAS fans. Ooh, plastic, no. Yeah, well, too late. We're surrounded by them. Plastics. Here's the plastic. Why? Because we don't want air. There you go. Oh man, the timing couldn't be any better. Hear that thunder in the background? Perfect. Perfect. Put it back on the tray, go in the fridge. Oh, that's tasting good. Put away our goodies. These onions I'll use for pickled onions. Good, get that, and we're ready to get inside. Oh, yeah, I'm going to have to do something with the rest of that tomato, seeing it tastes so good. Anyway, that's it, quick and easy. I'll do the list of ingredients down below. But basically, 2 tablespoons cilantro, 2 tablespoons diced red onion, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 whole tomato seeded and diced, juice of 1 lime, minus sans the seeds, and what else? Yeah, you'll see it in the bottom. So anyway, that's it for now. Quick and easy. Enjoy your guacamole and the rest of your summer. Let's get busy. Till next time, drink more shine and eat more bacon.
See ya!